Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kyle Maddox and welcome to my channel. This video is special, we're gonna talk about free USDT and I have few important questions. Is it possible to get free USDT in 2026? And is it any real legit ways how to get free USDT? And I will find the answer in this video. As always guys, I never recommend anything to copy what I'm showing in this video. My content is strictly educational and entertainment purpose only. Enjoy, but I do recommend to watch this video from beginning to the end to understand how I test in tools and what I can get from that. First of all, if you doesn't know me yet, I have my personal channel in Telegram. You can pause the video right now and copy by its name. Be aware of using only official links because there is a lot of different scammers who pretend it's me. And here guys, I have an interesting post inside. And first of all, let me open it. And here, let me open the game. This game is literally #1 in the Telegram App Center nowadays. And there is a tool what's supposed to improve my experience during the gameplay. Okay, and I'm gonna to follow the instruction inside and everything I will show here live. So let me choose the option like that. And here guys, the small requirements, it's not a big deal for me, so give me literally like a few minutes. I'm gonna do it real fast. Okay, so let me choose like that. Here, copy that one and go to my main app. Okay, here's I need to choose like this. Okay, yep. And today that will be enough for me for test. While I'm waiting guys, you can drop me your ideas in the comments. I usually read all of that and I'm usually making the video according to the tools what you ask me to test. Okay, so just give me a few seconds to wait the update. Yeah, it's already updated, so I'm gonna go back and here I just need to close the app and try to open it again. Let me just open it. I'm gonna wait a few seconds more. Yeah, so let me just check. Yeah, that's already here. That's really awesome. I'm gonna continue here. Okay, this one I will keep in mind. And nice. The loading start, that's really awesome. It means everything supposed to connect well. And here, let me just check. Yeah, and this is the thing I was talking about, guys. Okay, this is the most interesting part here. I'm gonna do a small preparation here before. Okay, and yeah, like that. So let me just check the amount, the location. So it's there and there, and yeah, look at that, guys. This is what I was talking about, guys. This is it. Wow. Okay, so the most important point right now is to send everything back because this is the main point. So I'm gonna choose like this. Yeah, I'm gonna choose. Let me just do it like that, and just I need to define where. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna grab my information here. Okay, I'm gonna go back. All right, and just put it like that and confirm. Wow, the notification came. That's already awesome. Guys. Yeah, it means everything already on the process. So all I just need to back to my main and just check the update. I'm gonna wait here. Yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. That's really already here. So I'm gonna be sure. Yeah, everything on the place, guys. Look at this. This is really amazing. This is why I like to test in tools. Yeah, as you can see, everything already here. Alright guys, and if you like my video, press your like, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching guys. I will catch you in another one.